Hey guys, it's Eric Roberts. I'm here to talk about how to tune your guitar a half step down. And why do you want to tune your guitar a half step down? Well, I almost never do it, but today we're doing What a Beautiful Name, and I just think it's a little high in the key of G, so I want to go down just a half step. Some people do it all the time. I have a good friend that does it all the time, but here's how you do it. It's pretty simple. I'm going to use a very simple tuner just like this. Let's get to tuning your guitar half step down. So I'm going to start out by tuning the low E string, and I already did this one down. It went down all the way to D sharp. So you just tune everything down one half step. So your A note, you would just tune down. And I'm going to show you how to sort of equalize the tension. So this would be G sharp. And the first time through, I just do it kind of fast, like this. Just go A sharp and then D sharp. Okay, and I do it fast because when you relieve that much tension off the neck, you can't get a fine tuning the first time through. So you're gonna go all the way down one half step real quick with your tuner. Then you're gonna go back up, and you notice my D is a little sharp right there. Let me see if I can put this somewhere where you can see it. Let's see. Can you see this, guys? Let's see, like that. Okay, so there's my. Now you can see it. Now I can see it. Let's see. D sharp. You know when I'm tuning, I just go down, 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 kind of soft. Now I'm going to do G sharp. That one stayed pretty good. C sharp, you go under. Okay, now I have this on here. That's why it's making a funny sound. So you can see, it's hard for me to see it and you to see it at the same time. So basically, I'm just going to go through this, get this note down here, and then I'll show you what the whole guitar sounds like. Hopefully it sounds decent. Woo, that sounds terrible. Okay, let's see if I can get this to go. And this is one reason I almost never tune my guitar down a half step. Oh, there we go. So, in my experience, it takes a few times to get it to stabilize. So don't just think, oh, I'm going to tune this down and just tune it one. You go down, 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 and you think you're in tune. So just tune down a couple times. Go back and check. You get your D sharp. Check there. Check here. Now. Then you can check by ear too if you want to tweak it. So this would be, this guitar sounds pretty warm when it's down a half step. I think that's why some people like to do it. Vocally, it gets the guitar down a little bit without using a capo to go backwards. So if the song's in G and it's just a little bit too high for you, like What a Beautiful Name is for me, then I'm like, oh, let's just give a little relief on that and tune it down a half step. So now it could be like, you were the word at the beginning, one with God and Lord Most High. So it definitely sounds like more open. It sounds lower. Obviously, it's kind of hard to explain what I think about this guitar down a half step. It feels, it's more like sort of, it's just more low tone to it. It feels deeper. It feels deeper and more, not just lower, but deeper. The low notes are. And you know, this guitar sounds really bright all the time. So the fact that it now has sort of a little deeper tone, I'm going to do these videos today, What a Beautiful Name and some other things, and see what I feel like with this down a half step. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you like the lessons I'm sending out to you guys. Also, you can always join me at Worship the King to do online lessons and tutorials. and there are a ton of courses and lessons there and free downloads. So check the description links and give it a thumbs up, guys. Thanks.